Today we're going to talk about shoulder braces, and I'm going to show you the shoulder brace that I have in my line called Air Support. That's A-I-R-E Support, and these can be found on airsupport.com. So this is what the shoulder brace looks like here. This part of this strap here actually goes around the body, and then you place it on the shoulder. And I'll show you how to put it on here shortly. You place it on the shoulder, and then this other part wraps around the biceps or the upper arm here. Okay, so, and then what the goal of this is to give compression to the shoulder. You want to be able to give prevent it from moving in certain directions, but also to squeeze down on it as well. Now, these braces do come with a gel pack. So this gel pack can be hot or cold. You can place it into the freezer, and they can give you an ice pack associated with it, or you can microwave it, and that can give you some heat. In the back of the brace, there's a little pocket here that comes off, and after you either freeze this or place it in the microwave, or you can just put it in boiling water, you can put it in this little sack here so it's not right up against your skin, which is important, and then you place it on the back here, and that way you can have it right against your skin so that it's protected, and it gives you that heat or that ice that you want to help soothe the issue that you have going on.